Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you two videos. And the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is about a man who used bad words when he confronted the police inside of a police station that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You as subscribers, I wondered how that happened and why that happened. So let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding as to what really happened, alright? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Sergeant Montague, I reported here at the police station last night around 12 a.m. in the morning. Okay. I knocked on the door more than 4 times. The bearer who was with me is standing right here. The guy in the blue. Come on, identify yourself. Show yourself. Okay. Show him yourself, sir. Come here, sir, brother. He made a call to the station when he pretended like he couldn't hear what gone. Yes or no, sir? Did you call the station last night? Huh? Did I ask you to make a phone call to the police station last night? Yes or no?
You asked me for make a call last
night? Yes.
Yeah.
Did you call him, sir?
Yeah.
Did he answer the phone, sir?
Yeah.
What happened?
We call him the non-answer.
They pretended like they couldn't hear. And I came and I knocked in person and the lady came out and said, Dr. Williams outside again. So I'm here to report that as well. Yeah. But before we get to that, I'm here on Jamaica Government Service. This is from the office of Dr. Chang and the passport office.
Yes, sir.
It is sealed with a staple.
Yes, sir.
It is asked that you fill it out so that I can get my passport.
Okay, sir.
Based on the report I made in this police station, that my son was robbed. I was robbed of everything. They don't have the money to pay the blood clot stolen.
Step outside. Outside.
You are rude. Put me outside, Mr. Sergeant.
Outside, sir. Step outside. You are rude. Right now you should be arrested and charged.
Arrest me and charge me now.
Step outside, sir.
Arrest me and charge me. I'm a taxpayer.
Step outside.
You take off the mask. You want to take that again. More to be here again in the station.
Sir, step outside for me, please.
With respect.
Step outside.
I'm not moving, sir. We are dealing with Jamaica Government Service. So you can decide if you want me to take this escalating any further than this, sir.
Step outside, sir.
I am not moving, sir, with all due respect of your position. Sergeant, throw me out in your bag. One must be bumbuckler mad.
Sir.
Shut up when my hand talk to you. A sergeant I deal with. My apologies for language. Let me start over, just to show you that I can control myself. And just because I want to prepare myself appropriately for the psychiatric evaluation at the University of West Indies. That it says on Jamaica Government Service of the office of Dr. Chang. I reported here a couple of days ago. And he told me to go to the passport office and get this form and bring it here. Then I have to go to the tax office to be the tax form. Normal. This one says on Her Majesty's service. You want a record? I give you no permission to record me corporal or whatever that thing is. It says on Her Majesty's service because I'm also British. And the consulate officer who's a Fortis, which is based on Trafalgar Road, the British High Commission, has asked for the same thing, to prove that I was robbed and taken up every single thing. That's why I don't have my British passport until the shoot last week. And the American consulate, which are also an American citizen, his name is Officer Bill from the American Citizenship Services, and his email is bkingston@acs@state.gov, since you want to record, has asked me for the exact same form. So each person asks for the same thing. And if I must pay this money, Dr. Field said to leave you her number. You are Sergeant Montague, badge number 16555. So you decide what you're going to do.
Talk about real badness. The man sound angry, upset. You see it? I am not going to say that the man have any right to cuss bad words in the police station. No, I'm not going to say that. But some of the things that the man said in that video that I just presented to you, if they are as accurate as to how he said it, then I think it looked bad on police officers at that police station. Some of the things that the man said, if they are actually true, I think it looked bad on those police officers at that police station, and that is if it is true. See? Because it is said that there's more than one sides to a story, you know. Sometimes 3, sometimes more. See me? I mean, never did it. You see? Just imagine this, though, viewers and subscribers. Just imagine somehow you got robbed and you tell someone to call the police to let them know what happened. And the police did not respond to the incident where it is said that you got robbed. How would you feel? So that's what I thought about when I looked at the video, viewers and subscribers. You see it? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. I just presented a video to you that shows some things that happened when a person confronted the police at a police station that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You can let me know what you think about that video, alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man. And in the video, the man was talking about the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Mr. Andrew Holness. Now, in my point of view, this man had trouble pronouncing a word. See? And I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Viewers and subscribers, you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the man said in this video. You can also let me know if you think the video is funny or if you think the video is not funny or what. Alright? Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Tell Mr. Andrew Holness.
Say you say me.
Him seed because in the country and the seed.
And that's seed.
Yeah, seed because.
You see the country.
Seed.
So what you do? So what you want him to do? What you want him to do?
What you want to do right now?
What you want him to do? Let him take over the country and we can't get it.
Get it up.
We make that. I will give me them people as in the class. Because Mr. Andrew Holness tell me say, make me start the dollar. Every day dollar rise. And he can't say make it happen.
But we not be sell to happen.
Huh?
We pass that in this.
Didn't want to video you?
He have nothing to say. But we are the small man and we are the poor of the country. And you know, no make dollar go. Because every time dollar rise, we have to pay $10 more for us. Sit down the dollar.
My people, I realized that the man shown in that video was drinking alcohol at that time when that video had been recorded. So, I don't really take the things that he said serious. No. Alcohol is something, you know, when you drink it, you know. It make you feel nice some of the times, and sometimes it can make you feel hangover or feel bad sometimes, you see it? Yeah, you know, that's why they say enough to drink and drive, because it influences you to do and say certain things. I just saw you got alcohol, you know? Underage pitting enough to drink alcohol either. Anyways, some persons on social media found that video to be funny. You know, you can let me know if you think the video is funny or if it is not funny, you see? You can also let me know what you think about the video that shows some things that happened at the police station where they said that a man confronted the police at a police station located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica, you see me? I only hope that no one tries some of the things that the man did in that police station, you see me? Because cussing bad words in a police station is wrong, you see me I say? And doing something like that is just wrong, so don't even think about anything like that. I hope nobody will try anything like that, you see? Because trust me, I have some daring people out there. You're surprised for no. You see me I say? You ever hear them say puss and dog now have the same luck? Eh? You ever hear that saying? Alright, so I make sure I point out that, you see? Anyways, I have some other left. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? Yeah, I want to say big up to Steadwatt. I want to say big up to Nadine Carr. I want to say big up to Nadine Wilson. I want to send a shout out to Monica, yeah? And I want to send a shout out to Muir, you see it? Yeah, Core, big up yourself, big up to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, me appreciate. I want to just keep the support to the Dancehall Skilla channel. So you know, through good time, through bad time. So big up and respect, you see it? Alright, and that's some see it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.